Welcome you friend in my channel. I am Devendra Chaudhary. From this video onward, we are going to start a new lecture series for disease of field and horticultural crop and their management too. It means in this lecture series, we will discuss disease and their management of Rabi crop. We will discuss all the disease in the following heads like symptom, etiology, favorable condition, disease cycle and their management. Videos of this lecture series you can find in a new playlist in YouTube channel, that is APP5321. So in this lecture series we will cover field crops and horticultural crops like wheat. In wheat, we will discuss all three types of rust, loose smut, kernel bunt, powdery mildew, alternaria blight and ear cockle. In sugarcane, red rot, smut, wilt, grassy shoot, ratoon stunting and poka bowing. In mustard, alternaria blight, white rust, downy mildew and sclerotinia stem rot. In sunflower, sclerotinia, stem rot and alternaria blight. In gram, we will see wilt, grey mold and escocyta blight. In lentil, rust and wilt. In cotton, anthracnose, vascular wilt and black arm. In pea, downy mildew, powdery mildew and rust. Horticultural crops like mango. In mango, we will discuss anthracnose, malformation, bacterial blight and powdery mildew. In citrus, canker and gummosis. In grape vine, downy mildew, powdery mildew and anthracnose. In apple, scab, powdery mildew, fire blight and crown gall. In peach, leaf curl. In strawberry, leaf spot. In potato, early blight and late blight, black scurf, leaf roll and mosaic. In cucurbits, downy mildew, powdery mildew and wilt. In onion and garlic, purple blotch and stem phyllium blight. In chili, anthracnose and fruit rot, wilt and leaf curl. Cucurbits include cucumber, melons, squash, pumpkin and gourds like bitter gourd, sponge gourd and rice gourd. In turmeric, only one disease, leaf spot. In coriander, stem gall. In marigold, botrytis blight. And in rose, dieback, powdery mildew and black leaf spot. So friends, in this lecture series, we will cover all 63 disease, their symptom, etiology, favorable condition, disease cycle and management. If you have any suggestions regarding this lecture series, please let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching the video. If you find my videos useful, then like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel.